thing. Alright, welcome back to IMM Zombies Gear Review, Bear Grylls Extravaganza. Up next we have the Bear Grylls Compact Multi-Tool. Pretty much a miniature version of the full-size one, still spring-loaded. Comes with fine edge knife, serrated blade, slotted screwdriver plus bottle opener, Phillips head screwdriver, smaller screwdriver, and tweezers. For 15 bucks, it's really not bad for a pocket multi-tool. Blades come decently sharp, and it can cover pretty much any job you might encounter in your day-to-day. One thing to note is this does not come with the Bear Grylls Priority to Survival. But if you're like me, you got enough copies of it anyways. So definitely a good pocket tool, and I definitely recommend it. Until next time, this is Roddy Cross from YMM Zombies saying live forever.